One-handed PLL. Let's start with the edge cases. First, the U-perm. Next, the UB-perm. Next, the H-perm. And finally, the Z-perm. Now it's time for the corner cases, starting with the AA perm. Next, the AB perm. Make sure the headlights are to the right, and then do this. Next, the E-perm. Now it's on to the adjacent corner swaps. First, the RA perm. Now it's time for the RB perm. Now it's time for the JA perm. Hold it so this bar is on the front, facing you. Now it's time for everyone's favorite PLL, the JB perm. Now, the T-perm. Next, the F-perm. Hold it so this block faces you. Now it's time for the diagonal corner swap cases, starting with V-perm. Now, the white perm. Now it's on to the annoying PLLs with your host, the N-perm. Now it's on to the NA perm's more annoying cousin, the NB perm. Now it's on to the G perms. First, we have the J perm wannabe, the JA perm. Now it's time for the JB perm. Hold it so the headlights are in the back, and this bar is in the front, facing you. Now it's time for the GC perm. Hold it so the headlights are in on the left and the bar is in the back, and then do this. Now it's time for the final PLL, the JD perm. This is the end of the tutorial. If you made it this far, please subscribe, as this video took a lot of effort and editing to make. That's it for this video. See ya in the next one.